Hey guys, if you're hearing a crackling noise from your Windows 11 laptop, then carry on watching, as in this video I'm going to share with you some steps you need to take to fix this audio issue. So the very first thing we are going to do, which is always good practice, is to first make sure we are running the latest version of Windows by heading over to the Start menu and searching for Settings. Then come over to Settings, and from the left here we need to scroll all the way down to Windows Update, and then press this Check for Updates button just to ensure we're running the latest version of Windows, as sometimes outdated software can cause issues with our applications and hardware. Now, once you've ensured that you're fully up to date, we can head out of this window and we're going to come over to our Start menu and search for Device Manager. Then tap on Device Manager, and from this list we need to expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, and inside of here you need to locate your laptop speakers. Now mine's this middle one here, this Realtek one. And once you've located your speakers, we need to right click on it and select Update Driver, and then we can press Browse My Computer for drivers, and we're going to select this bottom option here where it says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then we can just select this audio endpoint option and press next. And as you can see on screen, that's now successfully updated my drivers, so we can close out this window. And whilst we're still in the device manager, we're going to come back over to our speakers and right click. This time we're going to select Disable Device and then just press Yes to confirm. And we're going to re-enable the device by right clicking and selecting Enable Device. So we can then head out of the device manager window, and we need to come down to our taskbar in the right here, and you should see a speaker icon, and we need to right click on this, and we're going to come inside of Sound Settings. Then come all the way down this page to More Sound Settings, and inside of the Playback tab we can scroll down to find our speakers. Then we're just going to right click on our laptop speakers and select Properties, and first thing you need to do is come inside of the Advanced tab, and we want to make sure that Enable Audio Enhancements is disabled. And also inside of here we can try changing the audio format. So for example, we can try changing it from 16-bit to 24-bit with 96,000 Hz. This will be slightly different on yours, but just play around with these settings to find the one that works best for you. We can then press Apply and OK to save our changes inside of here. And once again we can press OK. And now if that's still not working, the very last thing we can do is head over to our Start menu, and you need to search for Control Panel. Then make sure View By is set to Large Icons, and we're going to come inside of Power Options here. And you need to change your plan settings to the opposite one that you currently have selected. So I already have High Performance selected, so I'm going to change mine to Balanced. But if you already have Balanced selected, then try changing it to High Performance. And that's it guys. By following all of these steps, that should have fixed any audio issues on your laptop. If you still are experiencing crackling sounds from your speakers, then there could be an issue with the actual hardware in your laptop. So I'd recommend going to a professional to get that looked at. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.